In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wells Fargo bank statements to QuickBooks Online. This process is fairly straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to make sure you have a smooth and successful experience. To get started, we'll need to log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Now, it's important to note that this process should be done through your browser rather than the mobile app, as the download features may not be available or as accessible on the app. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your account summary page. This is your dashboard where you can see all your Wells Fargo accounts at a glance. The next thing you need to do is select the specific account for which you want to download statements. It's crucial to remember to choose the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts. After you've selected the account, navigate to the menu and find the option that says Statements and Documents. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can manage all your past and current statements. In this section, you'll see a further option labeled Account Statements. Here, you can choose the specific month or date range that you need for your records. Being precise here is key to make sure you download the correct information you need. Next, click on the Download button. Here, you must select the QuickBooks file format, .qbo, to ensure compatibility with QuickBooks Online. This step is vital, as choosing the wrong file type could result in issues when trying to import the data into QuickBooks. Once you've hit download, be sure to save the file to your computer in a location you can easily find later. Most people prefer to save it in their Downloads or Documents folder, but pick any folder that makes sense to you and your organizational preferences. With your statement safely downloaded, it's time to upload it into QuickBooks Online. Open QuickBooks and head over to the banking section. From there, you'll find an option titled Upload Transactions. Use this feature to select the .qbo file you just saved on your computer. After setting this in motion, QuickBooks will start the import process and your Wells Fargo transactions should be automatically populated into your QuickBooks account. And there you have it. Your Wells Fargo bank statements should now be successfully downloaded and imported into QuickBooks Online. This process can be repeated anytime you need to keep your financial records up to date. Following these steps diligently ensures your financial management through QuickBooks remains as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides like this one.